Hey, Com 381, it's Renee Hobbs here. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about how you're doing with the inquisitive quizzes. It is absolutely fascinating to see your work in this process, and of course, I hope you are loving the inquisitive thing as much as I am. Behind the scenes, here's what I can see, right? I can see each of your scores, but I can also see which questions you're acing and which ones you're struggling a little bit with. Check out this chart that shows the difficulty on the x-axis from easier to harder. Here's an example where you're right in line with where the hundreds of thousands of students who have used this textbook. I hope you're liking the drag and drop tool that lets you test your knowledge and then think about what happens when you make a mistake, and or go check out the section in the textbook that relates to that topic to make sure you're understanding. But the fun of this thing is really in being able to feel like you're understanding the concepts and you're developing a good appreciation for research methods. And of course, I am seeing plenty of evidence that you're understanding concepts like the bias blind spot, confirmation bias, the availability heuristic, that you're beginning to understand the language we use about research and the search process. Now, I personally tend to disagree with Beth Morling on her ideas about magazines and newspapers as unreliable sources, because I'm a media researcher, right? So she has a point of view and you have a point of view as well, but these quizzes are giving you the opportunity to really gain some knowledge about the language of research. And I hope you're having as much fun reading and taking the quiz as I am seeing you navigate your way through it. Yeah, I'm a happy camper when it comes to watching you master the content of this course.